Three Rivers Archery, your longbow and recurve experts.
Hi, I'm Jonathan Karch with Three Rivers Archery. Today we're doing an unboxing of Bear Archery's limited edition series number 2. This is a handle, and I just want to show what it looks like when it gets unboxed so you can see it. So the box it comes in, shipping box, pretty basic to it, but offers great security. Good wrapping around it, sized perfectly for it. So we have, like if you're familiar with the number 1 in the series, same case. Since the first one was a B riser with number 1 limbs, the second one here is a riser with number 3 limbs. So both make a 60-inch bow. And if you own both of them, you would do a combination to any way that you'd like for it, because the limbs will work together. So as before, very nice case. Excellent features to it. Great attention to detail. The stitching is really nice. Badge here is in great shape. Good quality handles to it. Good quality leather, period. And then the business card slot. All right, it's got a nice zipper here, single zipper. Holds it in place. And unzip it. Open her up. Okay. A little different than the last case, and I believe I said that before, is the material inside will change a bit. Very soft, good padding in there. I'd say each side's got at least a ½ inch of padding to it. Little accessories pocket here. Opens up. Or gusset to it so it can expand if you're using it for that. Then we have the certificate of authenticity. We've got same BCY high performance bowstring that comes with it, and a traditional bow owner's manual from Bear Archery. Same one looks like that you get with all of their Bear bows. So you have the information on all that. Good solid information to have. Let's take a look at the riser first. So this is tied down in place here. So all these are individual parts, but held in place. Like I said, they really do nice attention to quality here on this. I mean, even the stitching here, just for holding a riser case in place. Very nice. Looks like shirling there. Oh yeah, it goes, feels like all the way down there. So this bow, or this riser's got great protection. There we go. Excellent. Absolutely gorgeous quality here. The wood is just beautiful. This is Madagascar ebony. And as you see, it is gorgeous. Great grain patterns to it. Some nice variation in this one here. Got the Bear medallion, and that's the only thing put into the riser. There's no quiver bushings, there's no compass, nothing like that. The takedown system is legendary in itself. It's worked for a long time. So why change it? Nice brown glass is beautiful. All in all, great. This one is number 13 of 250. Again, if you did not have the first one, there are people that did not want to continue the series, so there are some available here at Three Rivers Archery or anywhere. If there's a particular number you're looking for, you can get it built to your specs. Left hand, right hand, really any weight that you want. So there's that. Let's take a look at the limbs. Nice leather tie-down straps as before. This is stitched together. It's a one piece, but 2 pockets. All right. Also good shirling there. Keep them nice and protected. Case is phenomenal. I have to say that. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful work on the tips. They're cut nicely. A lot of attention to detail. Bear really outdid themselves with these bows. Nice thing with it being a continued series here is they're learning from what they have on their first bow, goes into the second bow, and what they learn from the second bow will go into the third bow and then into the fourth bow of the whole series for it. Really gorgeous. Gorgeous laminations there. And I know the glass is something that's been very critical on a lot of bows these days. But Bear Archery, I mean, really looking at the details here, the glass is clear and looks just great, just really great. Brown and white tips. And they are reinforced. It comes with a high performance string, so you can use high performance strings on them if you choose to shoot them and not just collect a bow like this. Beautiful, beautiful work there. So that's the Bear. It is an A riser, number 3 limbs, which makes a 60-inch bow. Limbs can be used between the 2 different ones if you have both, or if you have different takedown risers in that, they will clip in there. I'm not putting this together because this is for the owners. That's theirs. I just wanted to show it off so that everyone out there could really appreciate what these bows are. I'm Jonathan Karch with Three Rivers Archery. Thanks for watching today. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, please put them below. And if you really enjoyed the video, please hit that share button to share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.